welcome back to my channel. Long time no video, right? For those of you that are here just for the Stitch Fix unboxing, there'll be a timestamp here where the unboxing actually happens. But for those of you that do care where I've been for the past 2 months, I think the last time I uploaded a video was August. Here's a little explanation about where I was. If you don't know, I am taking some college classes. They started in August, and I had a very difficult kind of course load this semester, and unfortunately some things had to go on the back burner, and YouTube was one of those things. Moving forward, I don't know what my video situation is going to look like. I know for the longest time I did a Tuesday, Thursday kind of upload. I might just go back to 1 day a week. I don't know. So if I do go to 1 day a week, tell me down in the comments, which day would you prefer? That's just something moving forward, what I'm going to do, how I'm going to do it. I don't really know, you guys. This is going to be rough. I'm out of practice. I have a Stitch Fix unboxing, mainly because I needed some professional clothes because I am going back in to the classroom a little bit, and I needed something other than sweatshirts and sweatpants. I will have my referral link down below. You get $25 off. I get a $25 credit. It'll be in the description box. Check it out. Let's look at my bundle. A hefty bundle, but I see some colors that I like. Okay, they do send you a prepaid return label. What else is in here? Some cards. What the heck is this? Oh, I know what this is. I ordered, they have like a little extra section, and I ordered some underwear. I always like to see here. I'll pull it out, we'll talk about it, I'll try it on, and then we'll do, somebody in one of these videos commented about like the Stitch Fix math. So after I try it on, we'll do the Stitch Fix math and see what's going on. I always like these little cards here that they give you. They kind of show you like what's in your bundle. Here's a note from your stylist. Teresa is her name. Hey girl, hey. Let's get into the bundle. Okay, here it is. Cute little sticker. I have no idea what it says. Okay, let me get my price tag so I can tell you guys. Okay, Love Ellie, some sort of a cardigan. I believe I picked these things out, but again, it's been so long ago I couldn't even tell you what it was. This is the Luna lightweight ribbed cardigan. Size extra, extra large, $42. Okay, this is cute. And like you can see through it, so it really is like a lightweight kind of material. Okay, we'll try it on. Holding it up shows nothing. What do we have here? A shirt, market and spruce. Henley 3/4 length sleeve top, size extra, extra large. It is $44. This is cute. I could definitely wear this in the classroom. I feel like that's professional looking. And these colors are like popping in the light of my window here. Another Love Ellie thing. I really like this color, but this feels really heavy to me. This is the Wells Confetti cardigan, extra, extra large, $48. I do like this, but I can already tell you, I don't know what this material is, but it's kind of itchy and it feels kind of heavy. But I do like the color for fall. Okay, I do remember this. I do remember picking this out. Market and spruce. Cow neck waffle knit top, extra, extra large. Yeah, did you just see that double take too? $78. $78. And this was the one that I thought I was going to like the most. But I don't think I can spend almost $80 on a top. We'll try it on though. Okay. And last but not least, we have a pair of pants. Liverpool Kaylee skinny colored jean. They're in a 14 petite, $88. And again, they are just a colored jean. I believe in my note I asked for things that I could wear in a professional setting as well as style them casually too. And I feel like these kind of hit the mark. So we'll try those on. And then last but not least, do you want to see the extras that I got? They kind of just packaged them here. Please keep this bag for your returns. Okay. Tear here. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep these. I've had these in the past. It's the Wall Cole High Cut Seamless Brief. Yeah, I've had these in the past. I like them. Nothing special, but they are like this slicky kind of seamless material. Okay. Let's try these things on. Okay. Let's start off with the gray Market and Spruce. They call it a waffle knit, and while it is kind of a waffle knit, it's more like a sweater. It is a cowl neck. It's got this detail, which I'm not a huge fan of, and to be quite honest, when I straighten my arm out, it feels like it's off center a little bit. So I did roll it up on this side. I like it well enough, but it's kind of hot. So... but it's not winter yet. So would I like this in wintertime? I don't know. But I tried it on with the Liverpool skinny jeans. They're in a size 14. And I always hate how skinny jeans do this bunching thing at my knees. I don't know. Yeah, you can, I'm looking in the mirror over here. You can see it. Again, I apologize, you guys. This room is a mess. I haven't filmed a video in 2 months. Forgive all the mess. That's my cat bed. We went camping a month ago. That's some stuff from when we went camping. That's a box of my school stuff. Let's not look at the mess. So, I mean, the jeans have a good bit of stretch in them. I don't like, they feel a little low-waisted back here. So I feel like if I bend over, they might fall down a little bit, which normally isn't a problem with me. So I don't know if these are too small, but they're bunching at the knees, which I don't really like. The sweater's okay. Is it $80 okay? I don't know. We'll have to do the Stitch Fix math. But here's the first outfit. Okay, here is that Market and Spruce top. I think the colors of this top are lovely. And I actually think this little cardigan, and you can see it's kind of like a speckledy, I think that's pretty too. I'll back up and show you. Again, I just kept on the same pants because that's the only pants I have. Again, the cardigan is okay, but it's really heavy and kind of itchy. I think this makes a nice outfit. I just don't know if it's for me. I'm going to take the cardigan off now. Ugh, yeah, I don't like this material. And this shirt. Okay, it's got a little bit of a like elastic sleeve detail going on here. I've had these little Market and Spruce shirts before. They all feel so short to me. Like, is that a normal thing? Is it short? I don't know. Maybe I'm just used to wearing like oversized tunics, but it feels short to me. I don't know, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try on the green cardigan. Okay, I'm not actually sure if these colors really go with this shirt, but for try-on purposes, I tried it on with the shirt. This is a really lightweight cardigan. You can kind of see my skin through it. I like it a lot. Let me back up and show you. It's got pockets. It is lightweight, and I like the drape of this one a little bit better. I feel like it's not as stiff and not as structured. I'm looking at the orange one over here. This one's a little more light and flowy. I feel like I could wear this one with leggings and like a long shirt. I don't know. I do like this one. I don't like it with the outfit so much, but with a different shirt and some different pants, I think it would be really cute. Here's the back of it. I like the pockets. They're kind of low, so I would be like hunched over to put my hands in the pockets. Okay. these are all the things. Let's do the Stitch Fix math. Okay, thank you to whoever called it Stitch Fix math, because I'm forever gonna call it Stitch Fix math. Let's talk. I got the styling fee wrong. I thought it was $25. It's $20. They have a buy all discount of 25%. My total was $300. With the buy all discount, would take off $75. The briefs, the underwear, were $13. So if I kept everything with the underwear, minus the styling fee and the 25% discount, this is rough, you guys, $218. Okay, let's talk. This is a sweater. I like it, and I might like it in the wintertime when it's really cold and I need a big, thick sweater, but you guys, it's $80. I don't know if I can warrant spending $80. So, she's going back in the box. Okay, this shirt, I need to really think about this shirt. How much is she? $44. The more I thought about it, it is short. I feel like it's short, but I'm used to, like, this is probably an American Eagle sweatshirt, and it's long, and I can wear it with leggings. But I forget, I'm not wearing leggings. I ask for professional pieces, and I feel like the fit was pretty good. I really like the colors. I actually have a mustard color of pants that I think this would go really well with, and I have an orange pair of pants that I feel like I could wear this with. Again, would I wear it outside of going into the classroom? Probably not. I don't know if it's really my style, but I feel like in a professional setting, I feel like it's pretty, it's professional. It goes with black pants, the yellow pants that I have, the orange pants that I have. I don't know, could you wear this with blue pants? I just feel like this is kind of like a staple piece. I'll think about it. It's $44. These pants are going back. They're uncomfortable. They're too short-waisted. They're a petite. I don't know if I'm even a petite anymore. They were almost too tight. And sometimes I feel like when I order petite things, I have to go up a size to, like, compensate for the petiteness. I'm not sure. I've said this before. I'm short-waisted, but my legs are long. So, I didn't really like these. They're going back. This sweater, I don't know, I didn't really like it. However, I do like the color of it, but I just purchased a brown tan sweater from Amazon a few days ago, and I like the material a lot better than this one. So, she's going back. This sweater, $42. Do I need her in my life? I don't know. I could definitely wear it around the house. I could wear it with leggings. I could probably pop a white button down under it and wear it with some dress pants and some loafers. Here comes my cat. Have you guys seen my cat in a while? There she goes. Sorry, I was reading a text message too. Okay. This sweater. I might keep it. I feel like I could probably wear it in a professional way and it would look okay, but I could also wear it in a casual way, which is definitely what I asked for. So there's that, you guys. Welcome back to my first video. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you like it. Leave me a nice comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. All those things really help out. Thank you guys that have stuck around. This is a long outro. Thanks. I'll see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys.